course, if you have a severe acne, we have actually a product for that particularly. So if your skin is very sensitive and you have breakouts, you have acne, these are the things that we actually tell our client not to do, because it might be also the reason why they have breakouts, or it might be the reason why they continuously having acne or pimples. So first, never sleep, of course, with makeup. Second, keep your hair and hands off the face, because sometimes our hair and hands does have a lot of bacteria. And that's the reason why if you have bumps and you always touch your face, and that's the reason why it's gonna be inflamed, because of the bacteria inside of your bumps. Okay, so only use unscented facial tissue, because sometimes scented fragrance or scented tissue can actually harm your skin. Avoid using comedogenic products or makeups that can give you breakouts or clogged pores. So if you suffer acne or pimples and you love having makeup, we have this particular brand that we advise you to use, which is the Bare Minerals brand. Okay, because this particular brand doesn't clog the pores. It's actually non-comedogenic products. So of course, avoid oily and anti-dandruff shampoo. So having shampoo and conditioner that has a lot of oil on it can actually contribute on your breakouts. Okay, it can actually added oiliness on your skin, and once you have a lot of sebum on your skin, it can actually clog your pores. Okay, avoid also toothpaste and mouthwash that contain artificial color. That is why we advise them, if you have acne or pimples, we advise them to use white toothpaste, plain white toothpaste, and clear mouthwash. Okay, because sometimes people who does have sensitive skin, they can actually notice some breakouts along their or on their mouth area. And of course, clean your makeup brush and tools regularly. Okay, so these are the products that we actually recommend for those who have acne prone or acne skin. So we have this Acne Benzoyl Wash. So Acne Benzoyl Wash, it's actually a cleanser that you can use at night. Okay, but in the morning they can use the cleansing milk, because Acne Benzoyl Wash can actually gives you more dry skin, but sometimes people doesn't want to have, it's irritating for them to have dry skin. That's why for us to balance or normalize the skin of the clients, we advise them to use cleansing milk in the morning instead of using Acne Benzoyl Wash twice a day. Okay, and one of the reason of it's because it has a micro beads, and it's actually exfoliating cleanser. So this particular microbeads are the one who kills bacteria inside our skin. It also has one particular ingredient that can kill bacteria, which is the benzoyl peroxide. Okay, it can treat acne, this particular ingredient. The benzoyl peroxide that has on it will be 2.5%. So before using this benzoyl wash, I also advise them to actually do some patch test for 3 days on their jaw area, because sometimes people doesn't know that they have allergic reaction with the benzoyl peroxide. So if there's no redness or rashes, they can already apply it all over their face. Okay, so they can only use this at night. Those who have oily and problematic skin, or those who have acne or pimples, can use this acne benzoyl wash as their, cleanser at night. Sometimes client do right after after washing their face, they actually immediately apply cleansing milk. It's actually kind of double cleanse as well, right? But normally we recommend them to use the cleansing milk in the morning. So it has benzoyl peroxide, which is effective antibacterial treatment that can actually kill acne-causing bacteria. And it also has bamboo stem powder, which is can works to absorb excess sebum. And it also has micro exfoliant. This is the micro beads that I'm telling you, to unclog the pores and kill remove the dead skin cells. It also has sodium hyaluronate, which is the smallest form of hyaluronic acid that can gives you more on balance the hydration on your skin. Okay. So I'm gonna skip this one because in Club O we don't have any hydrating gel, but this hydrating gel is also a moisturizer for those who have acne skin, but they can actually have the active moisturizer. So next is the acne cream. So acne cream also has benzoyl peroxide, and the percentage of it, it's 5%. But you can apply this one as spot treatment. Okay, so whenever you have breakouts, you can actually apply it on spot treatment. Okay, by using Q-tips, it can also control the excess of your oil and kills the bacteria inside of your pimples. So you can actually have this one in the morning, right after, before you apply moisturizer. Okay. But sometimes people doesn't want to use it in the morning because they apply a lot of products, so they prefer to apply this at night. So it's gonna be up to you. So you since it also has benzoyl peroxide, you also have to do some patch test. But if you're doing a patch test using the benzoyl wash, you can no longer do the patch test using the acne cream because they have the same ingredients when it comes to, benzoyl peroxide. Aside from that, it has magnesium sulfate, which is a gentle exfoliant. It also has safflower oleosome, which is antioxidant and rich in vitamin E. And it also has tetrahexyldecyl, which is a high stable form of vitamin C that can minimize the breakouts. And, if you have some uneven skin tone or darkness on that particular breakout, it can actually give you, a much lighter effect because of this vitamin C. Okay. So aside from the acne cream, the benzoyl wash, we also advise them to use our shampoo and conditioner, particularly those who suffer pimples and acne. It's because, as I've said earlier, if you have this kind of skin concern and you're using a hair product that has a lot of oil ingredients on it, it can actually that will be the cause or the reason why you have breakouts on your foreheads, on this area. It's because of the hair and because of the hair product that you are using. And that's why Miss O formulated a shampoo and conditioner, particularly for those who have, pimples and acne. But you can still use this one because this is, even if you don't have acne, because it is really a good shampoo and conditioner that you can use because of this particular ingredients that we have. So it has sodium lauryl sulfoacetate, which is, a skin-friendly surfactant that can remove oil, dirt, and bacteria. It also has, polyquaternium, which is good in conditioning, gives you a conditioning benefits. Cocamidopryl betaine, a natural derived coconut oil. And, it gives you a hydrating, and it can actually thicken your hair. Of course, ethyl hexyglycerine, it leaves the hair smoother and softer while hydrating them. So these are the ingredients of our shampoo. And of course, it is much better if you're gonna pair it with conditioner that we have. And most of us, like women, they cannot finish having, shower or taking a bath without conditioner on our hair, right? So it's really good on our hair. It has hydrolyzed keratin. It also has tocoma butter that gives you hydration on your skin. Wheat protein that can actually prevent breakage of your hair. It also has aloe barbadensis leaf juice that can gives you more on moisturizing effect and a well-nourished, hydrated hair. Okay. So these are the Acne Basic Essential kit that you can advise or you can get if you have acne prone or pimple prone skin.